My friends, real friends, better than your friends. That's how we keep popping out that bin.
Hey y'all, so if y'all don't know by now, we we got hit by Hurricane Michael. And that was Wednesday. It's Sunday, and we evacuated, and we're coming back to look at everything and check up on my house, my aunt's house, and my nana's house. So yeah, I look a mess. But there's no power here. There's no water, like no food. There's nothing here. So we're just coming to see what we can get and what we can salvage. That's Kamari. We've been on the road since like 5:30 in the morning. It's now 11:49, and we're still stuck in traffic. So guess we'll talk to y'all. Look at the trees, and we're not even in town yet. I'm crazy. So we just got in town. Here's a store. You can see it. And then there's let me see if I don't know if you can see it, but
That's all I can say is wow.
yeah, it's bad. It's really bad. This is our first time back since the storm.
Look at that.
It's there's the other store. We're on the way to my aunt's house to go check out her house and get stuff done, and then we're going to my house, or maybe we're going to my house first. I don't know, but it's bad. It's like really bad. It's like you don't even recognize it anymore. So I just got home. I'm sorry for the beeping noise. I live in an apartment, so it beeps, I guess. But we didn't have too much damage. I live on the second floor, so it's like some leakage. You could tell where like it leaked, and I thought like our floors aren't that wet. I really don't know if you can hear me. Our floors are not that wet, but my clothes are kind of wet. Well, some of them. And that's pretty much the only damage I mean, our window came out. The window did not crack. It just shifted out. So, obviously the blinds are all over the couch and stuff, but I think we're just about to grab like some pictures and try to see what clothes we can save, and yeah, I don't know. I've never been through something like this before, so it's kind of crazy, but I'll see y'all when I get to my nana's.
Get as much as you can. We got to go. We got to go. Like, we got to go. Like, they're tearing all of these down. Like, they won't be here no more.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, gosh. So what are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
So, just got word that we have to move out. Like, these won't even be here anymore. In one day, curfew is at 7. If you want to leave, and like I said, there's no power or anything here, so we have to leave. Okay, talk to y'all later. We're here at the U-Haul place. I've been crying so hard, but we're here at the U-Haul place. We have to go get some stuff, so we can put our clothes and stuff in. Don't really know where we're going, but we'll see. Oh God, but yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so right now we're at Walmart. Got me some Gatorade, some Powerade. I'm so tired. I am so tired. But we gotta do what we gotta do to get our stuff out and try to help as many people as we can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y'all.
This lady just stopped and gave us $600. $700. Oh my gosh. $700. And Red Cross just paid for our gas. Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, it's Alana. As you can see, I'm by myself, and I'm actually in Houston, Texas right now because there was a hurricane in Panama City, Hurricane Michael, and it destroyed, houses, busted windows, cave roofs. There's no electricity, like no lights, no service, no water, no running water, like barely any food. So yeah, my family, we had to leave, and so did MAKAIYAH's family, and so did the other MAKAIYAH's family. And so yeah, we're not together right now, and we don't know when we're gonna go back to Panama City, if we even do go back. But I just wanted to update you guys. Yeah, we're okay. It's been scary. It's been hard. It's been scary. Like, it's been crazy. And I'm filming this video on Snapchat because I don't have any storage on my phone. So yeah, it's been hard. It's been, yeah, you can't control it, but yeah, I miss my friends. I'm pretty sure like anybody who was involved in the hurricane, misses their friends because they didn't have any service to contact them, unless you had, one of the few servers who could actually contact others. Okay, whatever. But, I'm not sure which MAKAIYAH is going to edit this, but I love you. And the other MAKAIYAH, I love you too. I miss y'all. And, all the trees in the road.
Crazy people, and y'all act like.
When you go back up there, hey, tell the brothers, I wasn't trying to start. I am on 72 Echo, and they like 13, 39. Tell them, I still love them. I still love them. Yeah. They love baby.